11:18 a.m. Central Standard Time.
Winter storm watch.
The following is a winter storm watch from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois: Fort, Iroquois, and Kankakee. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a winter storm watch, which is in effect from Wednesday morning through late Wednesday night. Timing: snow will begin late Tuesday night or early Wednesday morning, possibly briefly starting as a mix of rain or sleet. Main impact: heavy wet snow with localized accumulations over 6 inches possible. Snowfall totals could vary substantially over short distances, with some areas within the watch potentially seeing very little snow. Other impacts: strong northerly winds will gust to 40 miles per hour at times. Where heavy snow occurs, this will create a wind with snow that could reduce visibilities to near zero, making travel dangerous, if not nearly impossible at the height of the storm. A winter storm watch means there is a potential for significant snow, sleet, or ice accumulations that may impact travel. Continue to monitor the latest forecast. Now here is the hazardous